just be inside.
Is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Question is why things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn I know I can't.
That's a big ass beetle. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a person. First of all, Bianca, I'm black. If you haven't noticed, in bad situations, the black people notice. So you better keep me close. Bitch, I don't think I would leave the house at night.
Yes, you will.
Bianca, there's literally no light down there.
Yeah, but when you have a motorbike, that's different. You have a light.
Is there not a light on this one? Bianca. Bianca, all I saw was his legs. And I was like, oh no. It's gonna get me on my first day. Tell my mama I love her.
Don't say it. But I will.
Yeah, you know, this car was really fun during the day. That it was all open. Oh shit.
It should be.
Oh no. It don't sound right.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child.
You take a shot? No?
No. Oh, we won.
Yeah.
You're gonna be the first.
Oh, period. I'm gonna be the first.
It's your birthday. Shot, 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 shot. Oh, bitch.
This is vodka. Not a mixing. You want to taste this? No. It's good. Shit.
What?
Let's do it.
You want this?
It's good.
It's good. Super sweet. So it is.
That shit was nasty. You Bianca, I love
Low-key, sometimes I feel like a man talking. I don't
this. I told you a
feel
nigga.
like I have too many.
I told you that yesterday. You are a black man. The way you be acting, you are a black man.
He said he don't wanna be friends anymore. That's what all rude boys are looking for. He never met a girl like this before. Till the sunrise, he's on the dance floor. He said he don't wanna be friends anymore. That's what all rude boys are looking for. He never met a girl like this before. Till the sunrise, he's on the dance floor. My baby, is the way he calls me. He said that I am refined. He wanna dance with me tonight. Mojito, dame un vaso de mojito. Dame shots and tequila. I'll turn into gasolina.
Wow, I'm so happy right now. I literally was just sitting here and I was thanking God for bringing me to 30 years of life. And I was thanking him for allowing me and giving me the strength to trust in his plan, because I was so scared, y'all, to quit my job. I was so scared because I was so stable, you know, but I wasn't happy. And I'm just so happy that I trusted him. I trusted myself to make this big leap. But girl, I'm literally doing what I wanted to do. I'm traveling, living life. I'm so happy. And I'm here in Tulum, Mexico for my birthday. I've never been to Tulum before. I love it. Oh my God, I don't know if you're gonna watch my vlog, Bianca, but girl, thank you so much. You have made my birthday so special. You showed me so much love. And it's crazy because I really haven't known you for that long. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm just happy and thankful. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. If you're watching this, thank you so much for supporting me, boo. I love all y'all, because y'all love me so strong.
Set the club on fire, on fire. I'll set your heart on fire, on fire. He said he don't wanna be friends anymore. That's what all rude boys are looking for. He never met a girl like this before. Till the sunrise, he's on the dance floor. He said he don't wanna be friends anymore. That's what all rude boys are looking for. He never met a girl like this before. Till the sunrise, he's on the dance floor.
I would say it again. Because, bitch, I hate home. I mean, I love my house, but I love to be outside. There's a guy there. I don't know what's going on. Kiara's enjoying the beach. I'm happy for that. My mission was that she enjoyed Tulum times.
We're getting ready to drive. I'm gonna drive for the first time, which is gonna be interesting. Can I put my bag over here?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Do you have any drive license here?
I have a driver's license.
Yeah?
Yeah. In the U.S. That's okay?
Yeah, I think so. No, the only thing that we need is that you have a drive license.
Okay. Let's put our seatbelts on. Your seatbelt's a lot looser than mine. Okay. Which one's the gas? Which one's the brake?
Okay, listen.
Mm-hmm.
To get it on,
Mm-hmm.
wait.
Here?
Yeah, the stop. This is the stop one, and this is your go.
Okay.
So to turn on this one,
So you press the brake?
press it.
Yeah.
We're going to.